Hello everybody, my name is Seth K Bani, and in today I want to talk about Canva and a text to image generator. Now as a graphic designer, we've been using Canva a lot for our quick projects. Sometimes we want to go to Photoshop and then design some cool stuff, but once we know it's not really a heavy lifting, we send it to Canva and we quickly do that even with our phones. But Canva incorporating AI into its web is like another level. And today I want to show you how it's done. Let's go into our browser and then let me show you. So we are going to type Canva and then click on enter. Then so you can see I am using the Try Canva Pro. I'm using the basic one. I've not paid for it, so it's basically the free version that I am using. And you can still use the AI, guys. So come here to create a design and click on it, and then let's see which one are we going to pick. Let's go for social media. Let's go for YouTube thumbnail. So once we click on YouTube thumbnail, it's going to give us a screen for us to begin to work on the thumbnail. So this is the canvas that we are going to be working on, and it provides us with many templates. So you can see we have many templates over here. Some of them are really cool, really cool. I like this one as well. We don't want to use this, we want to use the AI. We want to see what the AI can do. And so we have elements, brand, hub, all these stuff. Let's go scroll down. You can see apps over here, guys. I want you to click on apps, and then it's going to give us this cover. Let's see the options that we have. Wow, so you have DID AI presenters over here. This is amazing. This is amazing. We have background, we have all these things, and guys, we have text to image over here. This is what we are looking for. I want you to click on it, and then let's see what we can do with it. So you can see it says describe the image you want, and we'll create it for you. A little boy with golden spoon. Also, guys, be wary of typographical errors. You need to type the right spellings and make sure everything is well put. Now let's see which one are we going to pick. Let's pick square, and then also this is thumbnail, so let's pick landscape. Okay, and then also let's go here to see, want to see the style. There's a particular style I feel like we should use, the one with a dark concept art. Click on it, and then let's go down, click on create image. It's gonna take quite a while, but it's not going to take too much of a time. And then it's going to generate 4 different image options for us to choose from, and most of the time all these images are cool and amazing. So you can see it created something for us. It created this, even though it's not really what we are looking for. So you can see the guy holding the golden spoon. I don't know, is he sweeping with a spoon, or I don't even know. Yeah. Okay, so now I am clicking on it, and it's putting them on top of each other. Okay, so we can see, let's delete this one, let's click on this one. So let's say we don't like any of them. Okay, we can click on start over, and then let's click on female. Alright, so we are still maintaining exact same thing. Let's go to see all, and then let's choose the dark concept art, and then let's come and choose this, and then click on create image. Let's see what is going to come up with. I feel like this one is better. We can just pull it over here, and then pull it over here as well, and then we can easily pick the details, type the text tool, and then click over here, and then maybe type the angels among and so this is how you can use AI in Canva. Guys, see you in the next video.